That's a big chicken. Alright, hey, how's it going? This is Aaron over at Booyah Farm. And got another one of my fall beds in. This is our broccoli, cauliflower, and I got some red cabbage over here. I know that the bed looks kind of sparse right now, and it's, well, the main reason it's sparse is because these plants need a lot of room to grow. They will fill this whole thing out and start choking each other out because they're already, those two, that stuff back there is too close. But yeah, this is what we got. I went down to the nursery this weekend. I wasn't real impressed with their plants. You can see they're kind of leggy and falling over already, and I don't know, I wasn't real impressed, and it just drives home the fact for me I need to start growing some of my own from seeds. It'll be way cheaper. There's some setup cost, but I don't think it's major. And we're gonna start moving to a system where we're just starting our own seeds. I already saved seeds. You know, I don't buy bean seeds and stuff like that a whole lot. I did this summer actually, but I saved a bunch of those for next year. So look at this. I got to figure out that mess back there too pretty soon. But anyways, so this is in. Bed's been prepped. I put a little compost in it, a little blood meal, a little bone meal. That's pretty much it. Last thing I got to do, I got these cages right here. They're trash cans actually, if you look at them. Got them from the dollar store a few years back. And I'm just going to cover each plant with its own little cage like that. And that'll just help it get protected from birds, dogs, rogue chickens, whatever else decides to come through here and tromp through the... Then it seems like every time I do a new garden bed, something comes through like a tornado and tears it up. So all I got to do is cover it up, and we're going to be on our way to broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. Thanks for watching, and keep on watching. This has been Aaron over at Booyah Farm.